Good afternoon, friends. Good afternoon to everybody. So now we are going to today's problem number three. So yesterday and day after before we gonna discussed trial balance, isn't it? Trial balance have all transactions we can record in only for trial balance. All balances, all transactions means what here? Assets, expenses, losses, okay now, and depreciations, liabilities, incomes, gains and profits. Each and every one business have each and every one transaction we can record in a trial balance having. Each and every transaction is we can record in a trial balance having. These trial balance is very important for the auditors, accountants and business. Isn't it? The trial balance is very important for the auditors, accountants and business. This is the main basic of the final accounts. Trial balance is main basic of the final accounts, students. Okay now. So this trial balance is comes from in final examination, and it is weightage is 2 marks question comes in final examination. Okay now, 2 marks question comes in final examination, students. That's why we are yesterday this chapter we started now. So already 2 problems is completed. Today we are going to problem number 3. Which problem it is problem number 3. So what is question given here, students? Let us see. Prepare trial balance of Sudha account. Sudha from the following. Prepare trial balance of Sudha from the following given. Okay now. This have opening stock 22,000, bills payable 4,000 rupees, bills receivable 4,400, purchases 16,000, return inwards 400 rupees, purchases 20,000 rupees, sales 24,400 and return outwards 600 given, capitals 33,000 given, students. These are all of what it is transactions. Prepare the given the transactions. These transactions we can record in trial balance, isn't it? These transactions we can record in which side, friends? Trial balance side. Okay now. So first of all, what we can take here? Trial balance format. What we can take here? Trial balance format. We can take now first of all. Okay. Let us take all of you. Okay, friends. It is what? Serial number. What is that? Serial number. Don't forget first of all format. You have no format, you will do the answer. You have no format, you cannot give the answer here. Okay now. That's why serial number. Particulars. LF number. Debit rupees, credit rupees, debit rupees and credit rupees. Okay now, students. Now it is about the trial balance of Sudha. What is that? Trial balance of Sudha. This is the trial balance format, students. Okay now we are going to see this one trial balance of expenses and losses, depreciations. Okay now credit side we can write liabilities and incomes and gains and profits, isn't it? So trial balance debit column we can write the amounts is assets, expenses, losses, depreciations. Okay now credit side we can record liabilities, incomes, gains and profit we can record in the trial balance debit column and credit column we can write the amounts. Okay don't forget it is an. Okay students, it's a main important. Okay write down. Next we are going to prepare the trial balance. Okay now serial number means 1 2 3 4 we can take. So what given here? First one, opening stock 22,000 given. What is that? Opening stock. Opening stock means what it is? Establishing business and bring the stock or cash, goods or cash, isn't it? That is opening stock, isn't it? This opening stock is what? One of the asset. Opening stock is in two types: opening stock and closing stock. Opening stock, closing stock, both are is what? Assets. So then we can record into trial balance have which side it is debit side, straight citizen. It's clear now. Now write down here. First one, opening stock. Opening stock, it is an asset. We can record into amount is debit column 22,000 rupees. What is the amount of that? 22,000 rupees students here. Okay now next one, bills payable 4,000. What given here? Bills payable 4,000. Bills payable is what stand here? Liability, isn't it? Bills payable is a liability. All liabilities and incomes we can record into which side? Credit side. All liabilities and incomes we can record into credit side. Credit we can record into credit side of the credit column of the credit rupees column of the trial balance. Credit rupees column of the trial balance students here. Now we can write second one, bills payable. Bills payable, it is a liability. That amount we can record in credit side trial balance. That means credit rupees column heaven we can write 4,000 rupees. Credit column heaven we can write that. Okay now next one, bills receivables. Bills receivables is what? It is one of the asset. Bills receivable is one of the asset. That's why we can record into which side it is trial balance have debit side. All assets and expenses we can record into debit. Okay that's why write down here third one, bills receivables. That amount is given 4,400. It is in a debit side straight. Which side it is in a debit side. Now next one not given here, purchases. Purchases is in what? Expense. Purchases is one of the expense. Sales is in one of the income. All expenses we can record into which side students? It is in a debit side only. All expenses we can record into debit side. Just you can identify it is an expense, income, asset, liability. You can 16,000. That amount is what students here? 16,000. Okay now students. Now next one is what given? Written inwards. What is that? Written inwards. Written inwards means what? It is sales returns. Written inwards is what? Sales returns are sales expense. Sales returns are purchase returns. Just we can understood that. Here is given sales inwards. Inwards means what? It is a students comes in the business. Say written inwards. How it is comes? We can sold the goods. That's time it is comes inwards. That means what it is sales returns. Written inwards is what? Sales returns. Written inwards is an sales returns. Okay na? Sales is an income. Sales returns is an expense. Sales is an income. Sales returns is an expense. That's why we can record it is at which side? Debit side. Write down fifth one. Written inwards. It is an sales returns. Sales returns. It is one of the expense. The amount is what? 400. We can record into debit rupees and in trial balance. Okay now. Now next one. Two times comes in purchases. Yeah. Okay, two times comes here. So purchases here given 20,000. Once again also. We can take here purchases is what? One of the expense now. That's why we can record it which side it is debit side. Write down purchases. It is an expenses. That amount is 20,000. We can record it debit rupees side. Okay. Now next one is sales. Sales is what? Income. Sales is an income. So why? Because we can sold the goods. This time cash is comes in the business. Okay na? We can sold the goods. This time cash is comes in the business. That's why sales is an income. All incomes and liabilities and gains and profits also we can record into credit column of the trial balance. That's why sales also we can record credit column. Write down seventh one. Sales. What is the value of sales? 24,400. What is that? 24,400. Next, return outwards. Return outwards means what? It is a purchases. We can purchase some of the goods now. The goods we can return now. This time what is goods is goes out now. That means what? Return outwards. Return outwards means what? Purchase returns. Isn't it? Return outwards means purchase returns. What goods we can purchase? That goods we can return now. That time what is comes in the business? Cash is comes in the business. This is an what? It is an one of the income. It is an what? One of the income. That's why we can write it is an inside credit side. Write down eighth one. Returns inwards. It is a purchase returns. Purchase returns. Okay now. What is the amount of that? 600. 600 rupees. Now next one is what? Capital. Capital is what? Proprietor can bring the investment from the business. That amount is who is bring that proprietor. Now business can treat it is an what? It is an capital. Business can treat it capital. Why? Because business is a separator, person is a separator. So it is in capital. Capital is what? One of the liability. Capital is what? One of the liability. Then we can record it. We said it is in a credit column. Okay na? Write down capital. Capital. What is the amount of capital? 33,000. 800. What is the amount of that? 33,800. That is the capital amount we can record in a credit column. Okay na? Now it is in completed friends. Now we are doing the total amount of debit rupees and credit rupees. It is comes both are equal na. We can add any make here. Capital, balance, kind of we don't make. We can doing the total debit what comes na. Credit also comes the amount same. Okay na? Let us see debit side. First column is at 0. Second column is also 0. Now 4 plus 4 8 2 sorry 6 plus 4 10 10 plus 2 12 okay next 2 plus 1 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6 62,800 rupees. What is that? It is 62,800. Okay. Now here is you can make now 0 0 6 4 10 plus 1 8. Now 4 4 8 8 4 12. Now 2 3 5 plus 1 6 62,800 62,800. It is the third problem of the trial balance friends. So debit and credit both are how it is comes na equal comes na, that is an trial balance, that is an our question is an correct. So let us say sometimes it is not coming correct, that is a wrong for our answer. Okay na, debit and credit both are how it is comes equal, that is a correct. Immediately we can show that it is right or wrong. Okay na friends, this is the problem number 3, trial balance of Sudha. Okay friends, now we are going to next problem. Problem number 4. Problem number 4. Now prepare trial balance. Prepare trial balance of Kasturi. Kasturi from the following balances as on 31st March 2018. Okay now what given here? Capital 1,70,000. Now next one furniture 30,000. Next one sundry creditors 40,000. Sundry creditors 40,000. Now next one is cash 50,000. Now sundry debitors 50,000. Sundry debitors 50,000. Now buildings 80,000. Buildings 80,000. This is the question number 4. Okay now students, now we are going to question number 4 now. Now let us start that one question number 4. Okay friends, now let us see. Take the trial balance. Right. So serial number, particulars, LF, debit rupees, credit rupees. Is enough. Trial balance of Kasturi. Okay, now friends, trial balance of it is enough Kasturi. Okay, now we can record into capital 1,70,000 rupees given. So capital is what, friend? It is capital is one of the liability, isn't it? Capital is one of the liability. Then we can record into which side it is liabilities. We can record into credit column. Liabilities we can record into which column? Credit column. That's why right now first one capital. The amount is we can record in credit column 1,70,000. Okay. Now next one is furniture. Furniture is an what, friends? Here furniture is an asset. Furniture is an what? Asset. That's why we can record into debit side. Furniture is an asset. That's why we can record into debit side. The amount is 30,000 rupees. The amount is in what, friends? Here 30,000. Now next one is sundry creditors. Sundry creditors is in what? Sundry creditors is in one of the liability. That's why we can record it which side it is in credit side. Right on third one. Sundry creditors. The amount is in 40,000 rupees is in liability side. Okay, now friends. Now next one cash. Cash is a what? It is an asset. Cash is an asset. All assets we can record it to which side? Trial balance debit column. Okay now. That's why we can record fourth one. Cash. What is the amount of cash here? 50,000 rupees. Okay. Now next one is sundry debitors. Creditors is a liability. Debitors is a what here? Assets. Debitors is an assets. That's why we can record it to which side, friends? It is an debit side. Fifth one. Sundry debitors. This amount is 50,000 rupees in debit side. Okay. Now next one is buildings. Buildings is an what, friends? Buildings is an asset. Okay now. All assets we can record into which side? Debit side. Okay, write down sixth one. Buildings. That amount is what, friends? Here 80,000. Okay now. Now all transactions we can record in the which side? Trial balance column. Okay now. We can record the all transactions in trial balance happen. So what we can do now? We are doing the total amount of debit and credit. Let us see what is that. So 0, 0 and again 0. 7, 4, 11. Okay now. So 1. Here is also 1 comes 1 0 and 1 plus 1 2. 2 lakhs 10,000. 0, 0 and 0 and fourth column also 0. 18 plus 3 21. 2 lakhs 10,000 rupees and 2 lakhs is a problem number 4. Isn't it, friend? It is in problem number 4 is also completed now. Now we are going to which now? Problem number 5. Let us see problem number 5, all of you. Right. Problem number 5. Prepare trial balance of Bhagya Lakshmi. Prepare trial balance of Bhagya Lakshmi. It is a fifth problem. Okay now. What given? Let us see. Bills receivable 18,000. Bills receivable 18,000. Next capital. What is the amount of capital? 58,000. Okay. Next one is sales. Sales 78,000. Next machinery. What is the amount of machinery? 39,600. And the next one, bills payable. 11,600. And next one, purchases. The value is in 45,000. Next one, furniture. The value is 45,000. Okay now friends, this is a problem number 5. Now we are doing the trial balance of Bhagya Lakshmi. Okay now, trial balance of Bhagya Lakshmi. Let us see. Right on here. Trial balance of Bhagya Lakshmi. Okay. So serial number, particulars, LF, debit rupees, credit rupees. Okay now friends, now let us see fifth problem, bills receivable. What given here? Bills receivable. Bills receivables is in what friends here? Bills receivables is one of the asset. Okay now, all assets we can record into which side? Debit side. Kabatti, write on first one. Bills receivable. Okay now, the amount is 18,000. We can record in a debit side. Now next one, capital. Capital is what side here? Capital is a liability. All liabilities we can record into credit column. Write down capital. The amount is 58,000. Okay now. Now next one, third one is what? Sales. Write down here sales. What is the sales value? 78,000. Sales is in what friends here? Sales is an incomes. All incomes we can record into credit side. That's why we can record credit column have sales value Machinery. Machinery is what stands here? Machinery is in one of the asset. All assets we can record into which side? Asset side. Assets means what here? Debit column. Okay, now we can record into amount is in debit column. That amount is what? 39,600. Okay, now next one is bills payable. Fifth one. Bills payable, that is what friend? 11,600. Bills payable means what here? Liability. Bills receivable is an asset, bills payable is an liability. That's why we can record bills payable 11,600 in a credit column. Next one is what? Purchases. Purchases is what stands here? Expenses. All expenses we can record into which side? It is in a debit side. That's why we can record into debit side 4,500. Okay. Now next one is what? Furniture. Furniture is in what? Asset. All assets we can record into which side? Debit side. That's why it is also we can record into debit side. Furniture. The amount is also 45,000 rupees. Furniture value is what? 45,000. These are all transactions also we can record in a trial balance friends. Okay, now let us doing the total amount is what? Let us see. 0, 0, 6. 8, 8, 16 plus 1, 17, 7 plus 5, 12 plus 1, 13 plus 1, 14, 1,47,600, 0 and 0. Here is a 6, 5 plus 5, 10, 19 plus 8, 27. Okay, 10, 13 plus 1, 14, 1,47,600, 1,47,600. It is a trial balance problem number 5 students. Okay, this is a trial balance problem students. 3 problems is completed today now. So tomorrow onwards we will meet on next problems. In these problems all we can identify only the question have given the transactions, that is an asset or income or liability or expense. What is what? Just we can identify that time we can record very easily. Okay, now students. So thank you students. We will meet on next class remaining trial balance problem students. Okay, right. Thank you.